Imagine standing at the threshold of two kitchens, side by side. One is a relic of the past, the other a glimpse into what could be. Let's take a closer look at both, and see how a few thoughtful changes can make all the difference. The first kitchen is dimly lit, cluttered, and uninspiring. A space you use out of necessity, but never out of joy. The appliances are old, the colors are dull, and the air feels heavy, almost stagnant. Countertops are crowded with gadgets, utensils, and forgotten mail. There's barely any room to prepare a meal, let alone enjoy one. The lack of natural light makes the space feel even smaller, and the clutter weighs down the atmosphere, making it hard to feel inspired or creative. Now, close your eyes and picture a different kitchen, one that's bright, organized, and full of life. Sunlight streams through the windows, bouncing off clean surfaces and filling the room with energy. The countertops are clear, the cabinets are sleek and modern, and a gentle glow from under-cabinet lighting makes the space feel warm and inviting. Every detail feels intentional, from the choice of materials to the placement of each item. A few carefully chosen pieces, a vibrant potted plant, a decorative vase, a beautiful wooden cutting board, add personality and warmth without overwhelming the space. These touches make the kitchen feel uniquely yours, a reflection of your style and taste. This kitchen feels calm, organized, and truly the heart of the home. It's a place where you want to linger, whether you're cooking a meal, sharing coffee with a friend, or simply enjoying a quiet moment alone. The difference between these two kitchens isn't magic or luck, it's about making thoughtful choices and seeing the hidden potential in what you already have. It's about being intentional with your space and believing that even small changes can have a big impact. Sometimes, all it takes is a fresh coat of paint, better lighting, or a new way to organize your shelves. Changing the color palette can instantly lift the mood, while clever storage solutions can free up space and make everything feel more accessible. But this transformation isn't just about aesthetics. It's about creating a kitchen that supports your daily routines, brings your family together, and fills your home with laughter and joy. It's about making memories, big and small, in a space that truly works for you. You don't need a massive budget or a sprawling house to achieve this. With a bit of vision, some creativity, and the right guidance, even the smallest kitchen can become a luxurious, functional, and beautiful space. Start small, layer simple ideas, one at a time, until your kitchen begins to reflect your personality and your needs. Swap out old hardware, add a pop of color, or introduce a few decorative touches that make you smile every time you walk in. Remember, the kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a place to connect, to share stories, and to create lasting memories with the people you love. Imagine coming home each day to a kitchen that welcomes you with open arms, a space that feels like a warm embrace after a long day. This is the story of how to bring that vision to life, step by step, idea by idea, until your kitchen becomes the dream space you've always wanted. Let's begin the journey from drab to dream, and discover just how close your dream kitchen really is. Your dream kitchen is closer than you think. Let's make it a reality, together. In 2026, there's never been a better moment to give your kitchen the attention it truly deserves. The kitchen is the heart of your home, a place where memories are made, meals are shared, and creativity comes to life. This year, imagine transforming that space into something that not only looks stunning, but also feels welcoming and works perfectly for your lifestyle. Modern design is all about blending simplicity with warmth and making your home work for you in every way. It's about creating a space that's both beautiful and functional, where every detail serves a purpose and every corner feels inviting. In this chapter, we'll share timeless design principles, think clean lines, natural textures, and an open, airy feel that makes your kitchen a joy to be in. These elements never go out of style and can be adapted to fit any taste. Whether your kitchen is compact or spacious, these ideas work for any size or layout. You don't need a massive space to achieve a modern, luxurious look, just the right approach and a bit of inspiration. Our goal is simple, to help you turn your kitchen into a place you absolutely love. Imagine a space where you look forward to cooking, gathering, and relaxing. A kitchen that truly reflects your personality and needs. We'll break down big ideas into easy, manageable steps so you can tackle your makeover with confidence. No need to feel overwhelmed. Every transformation starts with a single simple change. From choosing the perfect color palette to selecting the right lighting, each update builds on the last, gradually bringing your vision to life. Even small changes can have a big impact on the overall feel of your kitchen. You don't need a professional designer or a huge budget, just smart, thoughtful updates, and a willingness to try something new. With a little creativity, you can achieve a high-end look without breaking the bank. True luxury is about making the right choices, not necessarily spending a fortune. It's about selecting quality finishes, elegant details, and pieces that make your kitchen feel special and uniquely yours. By the end of this journey, you'll have the tools and inspiration to create a modern, minimal, and luxurious kitchen that fits your life and your style. So let's start this adventure together and make your kitchen a true source of joy, comfort, and pride for years to come. Ready to transform your space? Let's go. Your dream kitchen awaits. Let's take a closer look at the before kitchen, a space that might feel all too familiar to many of us. It's the kind of kitchen you walk into and instantly recognize, with its echoes of years gone by and the quiet hum of daily routines. The cabinets, once the height of style, now look tired and worn. Their oak finish and basic handles speak of another era, and the hardware feels uninspired, as if it's been waiting for a change that never came. Overhead, the lighting is harsh and unflattering, casting deep shadows that make the room feel smaller and less inviting. The corners are lost in gloom, and the overall effect is more utilitarian than welcoming. Countertops are crowded with small appliances, stacks of mail, and the odds and ends of everyday life. The laminate surfaces, once practical, now look dated and tired, and the colors on the walls seem to belong to a different decade. There's no art on the walls, no family photos, no quirky magnets or cheerful touches, just a blank, impersonal space that serves its purpose but doesn't inspire. But here's the thing, this isn't a bad thing at all. In fact, it's a blank canvas, brimming with untapped potential and waiting for a new story to unfold. Every plain cabinet, every dimly lit corner, every empty wall is an opportunity for transformation. These are the places where your creativity can shine. This is the moment to dream big, to imagine what your kitchen could become. Picture brighter lighting, fresh colors, and spaces that reflect your personality and lifestyle. With thoughtful updates and a little inspiration, this ordinary room can be transformed into the extraordinary heart of your home, a place where memories are made, meals are shared, and laughter fills the air. The real fun begins now. It's time to start painting your new picture, to bring your vision to life, with every choice you make. From colors and textures, to lighting and layout. Your kitchen story is waiting to be written. Let's turn the page together and begin this exciting new chapter. The most impactful change starts with cabinets and color. Cabinets dominate the room. Refresh them with a modern, neutral paint like soft white, warm gray, or greige. Instantly your kitchen feels bigger, brighter, and more modern. Next, swap out old hardware for sleek, simple handles and matte. Black, brass, or brushed nickel. Hardware is the jewelry of your kitchen. Small change, big impact. Stick to a neutral palette for a calm, cohesive look. Layer shades and textures within the same color family for sophistication. A neutral base lets other elements shine. This new color scheme transforms the atmosphere. Goodbye heavy, dated feeling. Hello openness and light. Your kitchen becomes cleaner, more organized, and peaceful. This is the foundation of your modern makeover. Let's build from here. Next, focus on lighting, one of the most important design elements. Replace harsh overhead lights with layered lighting overhead, task and accent. Choose a modern ceiling fixture or pendant lights for style and drama. Add under-cabinet LED strips for task lighting. No more dark corners. These changes make your kitchen brighter, more inviting, and safer. Good lighting highlights your new colors and makes the space feel alive. The transformation is magical. Your kitchen goes from dim to dazzling. Lighting isn't just functional, it sets the mood. Every detail looks better under the right light. This is how you create a kitchen that feels as good as it looks. Let your space shine. Now, let's tackle the countertops. In a modern kitchen, clear surfaces bring peace and make cooking enjoyable. Less is more. Keep only what's beautiful or essential. Store away appliances and clutter. Let your counters breathe. If upgrading, choose simple, durable materials like quartz and soft white or light gray. Subtle patterns add elegance without overwhelming. Once clear, add back a few decorative touches, a wooden cutting board, a small plant, or a stylish bottle of olive oil. Group items, and leave plenty of empty space for a serene look. Clean counters reflect light and make your kitchen feel open. This is how you achieve a styled, intentional, and calming space. Let your countertops set the tone. The secret to clear counters is smart storage. Organize your kitchen so everything has a home. Declutter cabinets and drawers. Keep only what you use. Group similar items together for easy access. Use drawer dividers, shelf risers, and lazy Susans to maximize space. Store dry goods in clear containers for a tidy look. Mount a magnetic knife strip or add a spice shelf to free up space. Move as much as possible off the counters. Every organized detail contributes to a minimal modern look. An organized kitchen is a peaceful kitchen. This is the final step in creating a functional, beautiful space. Enjoy the order you've created. Now for the fun part, finishing touches that make your kitchen yours. Add life with plants, a potted herb, a trailing vine, or a bold snake plant. Choose stylish pots that complement your design. Hang a small piece of art or lean a frame print against the backsplash. Select art that speaks to you. Modern, landscape, or graphic. Upgrade everyday items. A glass soap dispenser, a chic utensil crock, or beautiful towels. Let functional items double as decor. Be intentional. Every detail should bring joy. These touches complete your luxurious modern kitchen. Your personality shines through. Step back and admire the transformation. Sunlight fills the room, reflecting off bright surfaces. Cabinets are light and elegant, hardware simple and modern. Under-cabinet lights create a cozy glow. Pendant lights add style. The space feels bigger, brighter, and full of energy. Countertops are calm, with only a few joyful items on display. Everything is organized, making daily routines effortless. This kitchen supports you and invites you to savor every moment. It's more than a makeover. It's a new way to live. Your kitchen is now a sanctuary, a place for connection and creativity. Every step you took was worth it. Your home is your story. Keep writing it. You deserve a kitchen you love.